How to delete or remove one picture from multiple Instagram posts. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete or remove one picture from multiple posts on your Instagram. So let's get started. But before beginning, I want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is go to your Instagram and make sure you are logged in. After that, you need to go to your profile. After going to your profile, just tap on the post, multiple posts from where you want to remove one of the picture. Here you can see I have posted a post where there are three multiple pictures on one post. And let's say I want to remove one of the pictures from this particular post. So what you need to do for that is just tap on this three dot at the top right. After that, you will be able to see the edit option. Just tap on that edit option and you will be able to see this delete option at the top left here under your profile. Just tap on the delete option for one of your pictures that you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove this third picture. I will just tap on this third and tap on delete and confirm the deletion. And there you see I have now only two posts available. I'm gonna click on right, and my viewers will, when see my profile, they will be able to only see two posts from now on. So in this way, you can delete or remove one picture from multiple Instagram posts by following this steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.